You can define areas of interest for the site, so to calculate materials, volumes, and site improvement quantities for only portions of your job, which might contain, for example, different phases of construction, and can be defined by one or more clotheslines serving as boundaries to establish the area of interest coverage area. So for example, if I just want to identify or work on this pool house area, I can go into identify site areas of interest command on the takeoff tab. You can create the area of interest, so let's say we call this clubhouse, and I click OK. It's going to create that area of interest, and now I can add the boundary. I can add the boundary a couple different ways. It can, individual site improvement, or I can come in here and pick an actual boundary line. So if I was to pick, let's say, this area here that's been defined, for the clubhouse area, and add that, you'll see that I get a shaded area so that I know that I've added that area of interest. I can add other areas of interest, and that way when I run my report, I can run it and use the area of interest to calculate my volumes and site improvement quantities within those areas.